In front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Now you need to scroll down and click on vibration section. Over here, vibration and haptics. To turn off or on vibration and haptics, tap on this switcher at the top. If you decided to enable them, you can adjust all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to them. So vibrations for incoming calls, outgoing calls, notifications, alarms, touch, and media. When you finished adjusting all of those options, you can go back and click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to switch them on or off, and also on this one next to always show icon when in vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!